From visitmysmokies.com, it's the FUNcast, and I'm your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Poteet, and guess what? It's car show time. Again, in the Smokies, this is the week for the Pigeon Forge Fall Rod Run. It runs from Thursday, the 14th, through Saturday, the 16th. At the LeConte Center, there is a huge swap meet that is involved in this. There is competition for cash prizes involved with this. And admission, only $15 a day. Children under 12 are free, and so is the parking. You'll find a lot of classic wheels around here in the Smokies for the next few days. You'll also find the Bavarian Festival. The Bavarian Festival for fall has started up at Anakista. It involves all kinds of fun through the end of October. A brand new beer tasting experience. Local breweries will be hopping to it. Come for the brews, stay for the brats. And Clifftop Restaurant will be serving up the schnitzel. Smokehouse Bar and Grill has giant turkey legs. People say that I do too, but I'm trying to spend more time in the gym. Savor a soft pretzel from the watering can. Try the bratwurst and kraut at Kephart Cafe, or sample the sweet German chocolate funnel fries at Snack Shack. Well, that sounds pretty tasty. Here's some delicious fun in Dumplin Valley, the Dumplin Valley Bluegrass Festival, rolling Thursday through Saturday in Kodak, that's near Sevierville. Come enjoy some fresh air and beautiful music at the 23rd Annual Festival, family friendly, and all ages can enjoy. Nothing's better than traditional music in the Smokies. You know, October is right around the corner, and so is snow tubing at Rowdy Bear Smoky Mountain Snow Park. Reservations for snow tubing will be available very soon, beginning Friday, September 15th. Advanced reservations will be available at rowdybearmountain.com. All right, no snow in my 7-day forecast. As you can see, temperatures will be rolling into the mid-80s, at least for one day there. And then we're going to kind of settle in a fairly steady pattern of upper 70s to around 80 Wednesday all the way through this coming weekend. And don't think there's much of a widespread rain chance till maybe on Sunday. So maybe have a plan B those days. We're going to get a shot of some fresh feeling air from about Wednesday night through the weekend. So those nighttime lows into the 50s. And another update coming soon from visitmysmokies.com.